G'day there, my name is Jared Michael. I'm from Everything Battery in Yeppoon. Today's short video is on what is the right battery to run your 12 volt caravan or camping fridge from. We're going to discuss the difference between an AGM lead sealed deep cycle battery and a lithium ion deep cycle battery. Before we get into it, I'd like to thank our great mates at Bushman for your ongoing support and sponsorship. If I was going to choose a 12 volt battery to run my caravan, camping or four-wheel drive fridge, I'd be looking at what they call a deep cycle battery. Now, deep cycle batteries are quite a bit different to your car cranking batteries designed to start your car. Deep cycle batteries are designed to put out slow and low power, and they like to receive low and slow power. The way I'm going to do this is to break down 3 pros and cons for both an AGM lead sealed deep cycle battery, and then give you 3 pros and cons for a lithium ion deep cycle battery, and let you make the decision for yourself. We're going to start with the 3 pros and cons for an AGM lead sealed deep cycle battery. The first pro is they're very affordable up front. An AGM lead sealed deep cycle battery like this of quality is anywhere between $300 and $400 straight off the shelf. The equivalent in a lithium is around about $1,000, especially in a situation where you may be in a caravan or four-wheel drive or a camper trailer where you need 3 or 4 of these. So buying 3 or 4 of these, they're quite affordable. The second pro for an AGM lead sealed deep cycle battery is we know and trust them. Not a lot goes wrong with them. If they're maintained, charged often and looked after, not much can go wrong with them. They're almost fail-safe. The third pro of an AGM lead sealed deep cycle battery is they're very common. If you're in a situation where you're maybe travelling around Australia, full driving, off-road, and you've got a battery failure, I guarantee you'll find a replacement very easily, and that's simply convenience. Now we're going to talk about the 3 cons of an AGM lead sealed deep cycle battery. The first con I'm going to tell you about an AGM lead sealed deep cycle battery is they're very heavy. This battery here is anywhere between 31 and 33 kilo. An equivalent in lithium is around about 11. That's 2/3 lighter. They are heavy. Now that's okay, but what if you're in a caravan or a camper trailer or a four-wheel drive where you've got 3 or 4 of these? That's nearly 100 kilo versus 3 of these at 30. The second con to an AGM lead sealed deep cycle battery is lack of use kills them. Unfortunately, a lot of AGM deep cycle batteries like this are put into caravans or camper trailers or four-wheel drives, and they're used seasonally once or twice a year. If you've got these in your caravan, you use it, go away, store your caravan, don't charge it for 2 or 3 months, you're going to kill it rapidly. They need constant charging and use. The third con I have for an AGM lead sealed deep cycle battery is they don't give you a lot of capacity. Now what do I mean by that? This 100 amp AGM lead sealed deep cycle battery only gives us around about 50% of its usable capacity. It's about 50 amps. So for its physical size and its weight, the amount of usable energy in this battery is pretty low. The first pro for using a lithium ion deep cycle battery to run a 12 volt caravan or camping fridge is the amount of accessible amps or capacity this battery has, which is around about 80%. This is a 100 amp lithium battery. We've got access to about 80 amps of power out of it. Compared to a lot of other batteries, like your AGM lead sealed deep cycle batteries, they only sit around about 50%. The second pro I have for a lithium ion deep cycle battery to run a 12 volt caravan or camping fridge is they're so lightweight. This 100 amp lithium battery here is actually around about 11.5 kilo, but they usually sit anywhere between 10 and 12 kilo on average. Now that's 2/3 lighter than an equivalent AGM lead sealed deep cycle battery. My third pro for using a lithium ion deep cycle battery to run a 12 volt caravan or camping fridge is the fact they're virtually maintenance free. One of the biggest assets you have with lithium is they've got very little discharge. Unlike an AGM, which discharges and loses power when it's got lack of use, lithium only discharges at 1 or 2% a month. What does that mean? If I'm in a situation where I've got a caravan, a four-wheel drive or a camper trailer, and I haven't been away camping or caravanning for long, and I know that the battery was fully charged in that van when I got home, I don't really need to charge it or worry about it. I can just sit it in there, walk away, and know that it'll be ready next time. What I'm going to do now is talk about the 3 cons of using a lithium-ion deep cycle battery when running a 12-volt caravan or camping fridge. Con number 1, you've probably guessed this already, but it's the cost up front. This battery here is a 100 amp lithium-ion battery, and it's around about $1,000 to purchase. Not only that, if you've got a caravan, a camper trailer or a 4-wheel drive and you've got 2 or 3 of these in there, that really starts to add up. My second con for using a lithium-ion deep cycle battery running a 12-volt caravan or camping refrigerator is there's a fairly bad reputation in the marketplace for the volatility of lithium. Unfortunately for the battery fraternity, a lot of the correlation between the volatility of the batteries we're putting in our vans, camper trailers and caravans is related to the things like kids, scooters or toys. They're a totally different animal. But can I just say, if you are looking at using lithium, buy a brand you know, something that's reputable, it's been on the market for a long time, and is Australian IEC approved or certified. The third con I have when using a lithium-ion deep cycle battery to run a 12-volt caravan or camping fridge is if you do want to replace an old AGM system in your caravan, camper trailer, 4-wheel drive, you've usually got to change all of the charging system as well. Now, not always, but in most cases you do. More often than not, I've got to replace the 240-volt charger. Sometimes I've got to replace the 12-volt charger, or rewire them, or reset them. And in a lot of cases, we've also got to change or reset or calibrate the solar charger. So as an overview, if I was to choose a deep cycle battery to run a 12-volt caravan, camping or 4-wheel drive fridge, if you're looking at an AGM, bottom line is they're just value for money. But I can't emphasize this enough. If you're looking to reduce the weight in your car, caravan or camper trailer, you're wanting something that's maintenance free, you charge it, set it and forget and walk away and it's going to be ready next time, and you want something that's going to last 2 or 3 times longer, these actually are better value for money. The amount of these you buy to replace them. Just buy lithium. They're amazing.